Good day, I am Roxanne Rosaro, and now we are going to tackle about adding and subtracting radicals. So adding and subtracting each radical. So step 1, simplify each radical. A radical is simplified when the radicand number under the square root has no perfect square factors other than 1. So number 1 is, let's simplify square root of 50. Factor 50 into 25 times 2. So 25 is a perfect square. So square root of 50 is equal to square root of 25 times 2 is equal to square root of 25 times square root of 2 is equal to 5 square root of 2. So, mana siya ang atong step 1. And number 2, simplify square root of 8. So, let's factor 8 into 4 times 2. So, ang atong 4 is a perfect square. So, square root of 8 is equal to square root of 4 times 2 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2 is equal to 2 square root of 2. Mo siya ang square root of simplify 8. And other number 3 is simplify square root of 32. So let's factor 32 into 60 times 2. So ang atong 60 is a perfect square. So square root of 32 is equal to square root of 60 times 2 is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 2 is equal to 4 square root of 2. So mao ni siya ang simplify sa 32, square root of 32. So step 2, substitute the simplified radicals back in the original expression. Now, all radicals have the same radicand, which is the square root of 2. So, square root of 50 plus square root of 8 minus square root of 32 is equal to 5 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 2. So, mao ni siya ang atong result gaina sa pag-simplified adding square root of 50. Mao ni siya ang result. And ang atong step 3 is combine like radicals. Add or subtract the coefficient, the number in front square root of 2. So, 5 plus 2 minus 4 square root of 2 is equal to 3 square root of 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 minus 4 is 3. So, mao ni siya 3. Ang kaning gikapi lang nato siya, which is square root of 2. Gikapi lang nato siya. So, mao ni siya ang atong final result. 3 square root of 2. So, final result is 3 square root of 2. And we're done for the day.